What's up and welcome back, it's DF Test channel. Today Meizu 16XS review, price $220, triple camera Redmi Note 7 Pro killer. Everything review in this video. Let's overview the phone. Display bottom small gen here, display top side also same no notch phone. I like this display. Meizu 16XS comes with a 6.39-inch Super AMOLED display, which exhibits a screen resolution of 1080 x 2340 pixels. It has a pixel density of 403 ppi that provides an excellent visual experience. Phone weight 65.00 grams. Handling really nice, no heavyweight, feel free. I like it. Phone bottom side headphone jack and Type-C port and speaker here. Do you like 3.5mm headphone jack? Comment now. Overall display quality really amazing, reason it's Super AMOLED display. Next look, camera total
of 48 megapixel 8 MP ultra wide 5 MP depth. These are further assisted by an Exmor RSCMOS sensor. The extraordinary camera setup.
Camera experience really good compared to same price Redmi Note 7. The device is equipped with two processors that include 2 GHz dual core and 1.7 GHz hexa-core. These are seated on a high silicon Kirin 710 SoC Meizu. This phone processor is Snapdragon 675, so games working good. Same Redmi Note 7 Pro type separate PUBG gaming review video wait on my iCard. 16XS, which is expected to available in midnight black, blue, coral orange, silk white color. Takes care of the overall performance. This configuration is further coupled with a 6GB RAM and provides flawless multitasking. In addition, a Mali G51 MP4 GPU answers all the graphical requirements of the system. Meizu 16XS is a perfect smartphone in the mid-range price segment. From the eye-catchy design to the great configuration and excellent cameras, it simply features top-notch specs in every sphere. Furthermore, the large storage capacity along with expandable memory option makes it more lucrative. It does not have a fast charging technology and the battery capacity is also less compared to the pricing. Overall, my experience really good compared to other budget phone. Everyday and heavy use battery balance 20 to 30% here, 2 hours PUBG and take some photos in 2 to 3 hours song pay. Some YouTube video watch and 1 hour call. Not bad for compared to other budget phone. What you think, guys? Do you like this video? Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.